Now let us go for the area of the cylinder. Okay, so in this you are going to learn definition of the right circular cylinder, definition of right circular cylinder, and derivation and formula of surface area of the right circular cylinder and value. Yes, so simple चीज है, इसमें cylinder solid figure है, ये तो solid figure है, and bounded by the curved surface area, two flat surfaces. So three surfaces will be there. One curved surface area will be there and two flat surfaces. So the upper and lower part are two congruent. They are congruent. Okay. So two bases are congruent here in this situation. Okay. So the नीचे वाला क्या है ना, base radius. That is called base radius. And from this center point to that center point is called as a height of the cylinder. Here to here height, it is called as a height of the cylinder. So different objects you are going to find out in your surroundings. Okay. This right circular cylinder, the first one is only the right circular cylinder because it is perpendicular to the base. The remain first and last, whenever you see that first and last are perpendicular to the base. नीचे बीच में क्या दो फिगर्स दिखाया है वो तो right circular cylinders नहीं है. Okay. So they are not right circular cylinders. So bounded by the curved surface area with the two circles. These two are right circular cylinders. So how do we find out the surface area of this cylinder? Let us see one. How do we find out the surface area of the cylinder? Now you are going to see the different rectangular shapes. Rectangular shape of the paper. Even if you take into the paper also, paper one paper rectangle if you take. This is already you have learned in a previous class. That is called net of the net shape of the cylinder. So total surface area of the cylinder is nothing but curved surface area plus total area of the flat surface. Means upper part and नीचे part दोनों को add करना है. So that is curved surface area and total surface area. These are the two things. Okay. Is it clear to you? Now curved surface area, how do we find out? So now when you cut the paper, that circular cylinder को ओपन है, ऊपर एंड नीचे ओपन है, बीच में कट करके एक्सपैंड कर लिया तो वो पेपर बन जाएगा, रेक्टेंगुलर शीट बन जाएगा. सो दिस रेक्टेंगुलर शीट लेंथ नीचे लेंथ होगा एंड दिस वन इज ब्रेड्थ. नाउ व्हेन यू फोल्ड इट एज ए cylinder, this breadth will become as a height. This breadth will become as a height and this length will become as a नीचे एक circular part की जैसा होगा, नीचे circular part. So नीचे circular part total length is perimeter. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. So this is 2 pi r and that is height. Is it? समझ में आ रहा है ना? Part तो समझ में आ रहा है ना? तो 2 pi r h. So this is curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder formula what? 2 pi r h. It is curved surface area. Total surface area means upper surface area to be added to the lower surface area. So both surface areas, that they are surface areas of the circles. ऊपर सर्किल है, नीचे सर्किल है, दो सर्किल्स एरिया टू बी एडेड. सो एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल फॉर्मूला इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल फॉर्मूला इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो पाई आर स्क्वायर 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट. सो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज 2 पाई आर एच एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर को वो 2 पाई आर एच को ये 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर ऐड करना है. 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर को ऐड करना है. सो 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर ऐड कर लो 2 पाई आर एच को. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So in this you can take the 2 pi r common. Simplify करना है तो 2 pi r common ले लो. 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r. So this is the formula for finding the total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface. It is represented as TSA लिखता है. TSA बोले तो total surface area of the cylinder. So now let us consider the cylindrical can with the height of 25 centimeters and the radius base 7 cm. One problem is find the curved surface area and total surface area of the can. So how do we find the solution also once you see here in this situation. So 25 centimeters height is given to you, h is 25 centimeters and base radius. So don't say anytime radius of the cylinder बोलना नहीं है. Cylinder को radius नहीं होता. Cylinder base को radius होता है. रेडियस ऑफ द बेस ऑफ द कैन बोला है इसमें. ओके सप्तर्षि इधर देखो, उधर नहीं इधर. Okay. So the curved surface area is equals to 2 pi RH. So that is equals to 11, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 25. Simply simplify करना है. And total surface area means 2 pi r into h plus r plus h. So उसमें simplify करना है. So which we are going to get it as a 1408 centimeter square. 1408 centimeter square is the. So how much liquid can be in a soft container? You are going to take the cool drinks in cans, cylindrical form. So इसमें कितना soft drink can hold it? That for that we need volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder find out करने के लिए volume of the cylinder formula whenever you take any volume. This is prism I told in the previous class. Prism shape, even cuboid whenever you are taking also area of the base into height we will take. So base इधर क्या है? Circle. Area of the base बोले तो base area is pi r square and height is h. So दोनों को multiply करना है. Area of the base into height. Okay. So this is about the cylinder. Okay. समझ में आया? So cylinder. Area of the cylinder formula. So once let us revise the area of the cylinder. What is the area of the cylinder? Total curved surface area of the cylinder क्या है? Curved surface area of the cylinder
2 pi RH.
2 pi h. Total surface area of the cylinder
2 pi r
2 pi
plus
r.
h.
R plus H.
The brackets r plus h or h plus r. So these are, and volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Now let